It is said that in India, food changes every 10 kilometers in its flavor, 50 kilometers in its taste, and 100 kilometers completely. Hello everybody, I am Akshay and I am here to take you on a unique food journey across this wonderful country, starting from the city of Nizams, biryani and pearls, Hyderabad. We are starting our journey from the gullies of Hyderabad, where we'll be looking at the butter dosas which are prepared here. It was a myth in my youth that Punjab is the highest consumer of butter in India. That is until we Hyderabadis started making butter dosa. I'm standing at a very nostalgic place for any Hyderabadi in front of the first dosa bandi which came up. I'm at Pragati Dosa and I'm going to show you today how a butter or paneer dosa is made in Hyderabad. So here I am with a girl whose personality is as colorful as her dress, Samira.
Hi.
We've ordered butter dosa and I think that's a paneer dosa?
Yes, it is.
Yes, and by the way, Samira is somebody who's having this dosa for the first time, which is quite surprising in Hyderabad. So Samira, how do you feel about this?
I have only one word for this, Akshay, and it is divine. It's heavenly, actually. So this is the first time. I've never really had a paneer dosa before in my
Okay.
life. So to me, dosa has always been the traditional, a dish where my mom used to prepare it at home, or the maximum what I had was onion or butter masala dosa.
Yes.
But paneer is something that I'm having for the first time and I'm enjoying it. It's really good. I like how the dosa is very crispy on the outside and how it is so soft on the inside. Yeah.
And here I am having a butter dosa. This dosa is actually really crisp. It is very, very well cooked. It's got ginger chutney kind of taste inside, and there is, I guess, onions and some kind of powder which is giving it some kind of a body. What I feel is it's getting a little softer as time progresses. It's been 2 minutes since we've had this and it's getting a little soft.
Yeah.
Let's check the chutney.
So by the way, he gives it with a plate of, some chutney. What chutney is this exactly? It's coriander? No, I don't know.
I think it's coriander and coconut.
Okay, and the curry that he gives in the masala.
Yeah, the regular aloo curry.
Alright, the aloo
The
curry.
chutney is a little watery by my standards.
Yeah, I think.
It has a lot of greens in it. I think that is from coriander and kariya patta or curry leaf, do we call it? Yes, curry leaf. For me, the dosa is the thing here. The chutney and the aloo curry is just complimentary.
Yeah, I know.
I would suggest everybody to come here for the dosa. The dosa tastes divine.
Oh my god, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
Okay. So, what I feel is the paneer dosa is actually a butter dosa with a lot of paneer on it. Paneer in itself is very bland, so it kind of minimalizes the spice content of what is going on this decoration here. I would suggest the butter dosa. What about you, Samira?
Yeah, even I would
First
suggest the
timer?
butter dosa because
Yeah.
for me, I'm a person who doesn't like my food very spicy. Okay, so I found paneer a little spicier than butter dosa, but the butter dosa is something that is exactly for me.
Okay.
The taste, the amount of spice it has, and I think butter dosa is better than
Very
paneer,
nice.
Yeah.
And one comment I wanted from you. What do you think the price of this dosa might be?
Somewhere around 50, 60.
So that's a good thing. The butter dosa is only 35 bucks and the
Wow.
paneer dosa is 40.
So it's so economical.
It's very economical.
Yeah.
And for a place which is so authentic and it's a part of Hyderabad now, I think this is very, very well priced. Hello everybody, today I'm at Ram's Dosa House in Jubilee with my dear friend Sanya.
Well, this story is a typical rags to riches story. As in, the owner of this place, Mr. Ram, had a really small bandi in Nampally. And look, from that small location, that busy small location, he's come up the poshest area in Hyderabad.
We are here to see what kind of food he serves at his all-day joint. The joint in Nampalli being like more of a night joint wherein food is served between 2 to 4 or 2 to 6 in the night.
Yes.
Here it's more of an all-day kind of deal. Let us hope we have the same food here and there.
Let's see.
So here we have the most popular items on the menu with us. We have the tawa idli and the pizza dosa, and I think this is the paneer dosa. You can see the food here is so colorful and it smells of spices. It looks like it's really spicy and really delicious.
But Akshay, like, like this is a very cozy setting and it has its own pros and cons. Like a bandi, you have that whole experience of standing there, seeing the food made, etc. You know how what's happening from where it goes to what, and then it comes on your plate like a steaming plate of yumminess. And here you're more comfortable, so that's a pro here. I mean, such flavors resonate with you because we've brought up here.
Exactly.
And I don't know, this is too exciting. Let's dig in.
Let's just begin.
Yeah, let's dig in.
So we'll start with the idli.
Yeah, sure.
What I see on top of this is a lot of onions and some carrots, I guess, and a lot of masalas. And is that butter there? Yeah.
Yeah. It's fried in butter. And you can taste the fried food. It's really nice.
All the flavors come together very well. And it is spicy.
Yeah.
It has to be spicy for everybody's.
If you have no tolerance for chili, it's better you avoid
Yes,
things like this.
especially something like this. Lovely.
Okay.
Let's try the chutney.
You need that extra crispiness from the onions with
Exactly.
the soft idli.
Because as such the idli is soft. It's not actually fried to crisp. It's just pan fried where
Yeah.
they've
So the
concentrated
onions
more
add
on the
like-
masala.
Add another element altogether.
Exactly. The onions give the body. They give the crunch.
That's right.
So here we have the paneer dosa.
Yeah.
Let's ladies first.
Always the gentleman.
Thank you. What I'm doing is I'm taking a bite from the corner because there is not much masala here. I wanted to taste the dosa. It's really crisp and firm.
Really crisp. And again, the butter is just like coming through so beautifully. It's good.
The dosa as such is not your typical dosa here. It's more of a mixture with besan. We call it a chilla actually. So gram flour. Is that right? Yeah, it's more of a chilla here. It's not exactly a dosa, but it's still crisp. It's good. It's nice and salty on its own.
Yeah. It's a hybrid version of your typical dosa that you get. It's really nice.
Let's begin now. This is the paneer dosa. As such, it has some kind of upma, I guess, on it,
Yeah.
and a lot of paneer, onions, grated carrots.
Yeah, you can see
The
there's
usual stuff.
paneer, there's underneath there's the rava thing going on, so it's good.
On its own, the dosa is a little small to my liking. I'm a big guy. I like big food.
And when you're hungry, there's food.
Exactly. This one dosa I don't think is sufficient for you. As such, it tastes decent enough.
You get other variants also of the same dosa, like you have tomatoes on few, you have different vegetables, and
Exactly.
personally I like the tomato the best. This is also really good with tomato taste.
Tomato, yeah,
That's
tomato
another
adds a new
level.
element. I guess that is a suggestion we can make to this place.
Yeah.
The tomatoes will give a lot of body to this dosa. And lastly,
Make it
we have
try
the pizza dosa.
Very interesting.
Very interesting, very colorful. Reminds me of the Indian flag for some reason. I guess that's the carrot and
Yeah, the chutney
coriander and
yeah.
everything together.
Totally.
Let's begin again. Ladies first.
Thank you. I mean, what a concept to have pizza on a dosa. It's good.
Exactly. So what do we have here?
It's cheesy.
It has a lot of paneer on top, that I can say, but I guess the other stuffing is
Yeah, you don't have much of anything else. It's only paneer, but I would expect like capsicum, peppers, or something like that
Exactly.
because it's a pizza dosa.
exactly. And what is the pizza dosa without cheese? I understand cottage cheese is a form of cheese, but I would like some molten cheese going on here. Yes, something like that. Even the sliced cheese which we get, that would have added a lot of flavor to this.
I would rate it about 6 out of 10. I mean, it's mediocre and it's best.
So, as Sanya very well put it, this place has been more of a 6 by 10 kind of experience. And
And as far as value for money goes, I mean, as per Hyderabad standards, I don't think like it's really good. I mean, the quantity was also less, so value for money, I'm not too happy about it. I wouldn't be too thrilled coming here if you want to base it on value for money. And
it's more like a place where you order everything and just try it out, check out the tastes, and leave kind of satisfied.
with a full belly, that is rest assured.
And again, you have some good juices here. That I think is a plus, which may boost this place a little
Yeah,
bit.
absolutely.
Hello everybody, today we are at Lakshman Ki Bandi in the heart of Old City, and I'm here with my friend Shruti.
There are a lot of goats and dogs and chickens here, Akshay. I hope the food is good. Why are you so serious all the time?
I'm Batman.
But you can't be Batman, he doesn't have a beard.
That's my cover. Our first order here is the butter idli. Ladies first.
It's very soft, very buttery, and very heavy.
Okay.
The chutney is very good.
Yeah, I think I agree with Shruti here. The chutney is what is setting this place apart. The idli is really soft and really hot because there is a lot of rush, as you can see behind me. There are a lot of people here, so I guess they have to serve hot food. My mouth is watering, I'm not able to speak currently. There is some kind of a poddy which is put up, and that is making this really spicy. And the chutney in itself, it's not a regular coconut chutney, it has a lot of, I think, lot of peanuts, exactly. And some greens in it as well. Yeah, there's a lot of mint, which is really tasty and really unique, which is more important, I guess. Our second order today are the dosas. I've got a butter dosa, butter chatpat dosa, which means butter spicy dosa, and Shruti has got a
Cheese dosa.
cheese dosa. Shruti, will you start with the review?
This has a lot of cheese in it. Very, very, very hot and spicy. It has lots of powder, lots of spices.
The butter dosa as such has a lot of upma inside it. It has onions and tomatoes, and while making I saw that they put some kind of kandi podi or karam podi in it. The good thing is that this dosa has been sitting for 2 minutes or 3 minutes before it was served, and it is still pretty crisp and pretty nice. Let us taste it now. Can you see that? Marvelous, marvelous. You can taste all the butter that has gone in, all the tomatoes, the onions together. They give a lot of body to it. This is the taste of Hyderabad. This is what Hyderabadi food tastes like. People look at biryani and halim as Hyderabadi food. For vegetarians, I get this. This is what is real, heavy Hyderabadi typical food.
The chutney is complementing the dosa very well. It's not spoiling the taste of dosa, it's adding more flavor to it.
I have to agree with Shruti that I can't stop eating this. It is delicious, it is mind-blowing, and it is really, really heavy. And the final verdict. Shruti?
Well, this is the first time I've come here and it hasn't disappointed me at all. I can't wait to come back here and eat all the other dosas they have here.
I'm a little prejudiced to this place. I've been here many times, and this actually is my favorite dosa joint in Hyderabad. The food here is really hot, really tasty, and really
Buttery.
Yes, really buttery. And they started the cheese dosa, which is kind of new, and I love the taste. It is really cheesy as well, and it's a real cholesterol problem of Hyderabad. This actually is the reason why we are all fat and have cholesterol.
I'm not
and
fat.
everything. I know she's not fat, but yeah, I am. So I would always recommend this place to anybody who comes here. Just make sure that you have a big workout after eating here. And that was Lakshman Ki Bandi for you, and that is all from here. See you folks.